there, this is Jyoti from Verbal Hub, and today here I am with another success stories. And now let's have some words with her. That how was her experience with the Verbal Hub?
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Fauzdar and I have done mechanical automobile from PMB Polytechnic Mathura in 2014. Recently I am living in Delhi. One of my friend recommended me to join Verbal Hub. He was also a part of this education center and then I joined. So my learning journey was really amazing. The reason was because I was trying to learn English. I was, struggling hard to speaking English. But when I joined Verbal Hub, I started, seeing growth in me. And because there are so many steps which we need to follow in terms of to learn English and that's where I can see totally growth in me and I can say yeah I know and I can speak English very well. No doubt whatever I am right now because just because of my teacher only they teach me in a very well manner. They have a pattern, they have a good pattern for us. For example, I was not able to communicate very well. I was not sure, I was not confident, and they build confidence in me first, and then they teach me English. And now we have a repeated session of practice or group discussion and many more. So this is it. Overall, the experience was amazing with my teacher. It was very difficult for me to cross any interview just because of everybody talk in English only. And it is true that we are not fluent in English, but after joining Verbal Hub, I get to know so many things, and I can see the improvement in me. And finally, I am at this stage where if I am going for an interview, I am totally confident in me in terms of English. Yeah, one message I would like to give my I would like to give the upcoming student definitely. So only teacher are struggling to teach you. It's not going to give you growth. A part of this, you also have to give your 200% with your teacher, because your teacher can only teach you, your teacher can only tell you the thing, but until and you have to make practice, you have to be perfect in practice. Practice makes a man perfect. It is completely true. The more practice you will do, the more you will learn.
Wish you best of luck for your career. God bless you.